Hi guys, this is Sam from UberDriverNow.com. Just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys how to cash out your earnings. So when you open up the app, this is the main screen that you see. Tap on your profile photo right here on the top right hand corner, and then tap on earnings. And here's the cash out button. Now when you tap on cash out, you need to have at least $1 in there for you to cash out. So I have $25.75 right now. Deposit to, I have 2 cards set up under payment in settings, so make sure you have a debit card set up there, and you will select that particular debit card that you want to cash out to, and then confirm cash out. And that's it. It's going to go directly to my checking account, because that's the my debit card that I've selected. And that's it. And it's available immediately, actually, depending on your bank. My bank's a US bank, and it literally transfers instantaneously when I tap on cash out. So hope you like this video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.